My Dog's Wedding Part 6.
Okay, Sky, the confession is...
Wait, I have a confession too.
What the heck?
Do you remember the girl from the party?
My ex that beat me up?
Yes, her. She's my sister. What's your confession?
Follow me and I will tell you. The confession is, I have a daughter, and her name is Tuti. She has stinky farts, and I took her to the bachelor party without telling you. I should have told you sooner.
Oh, baby, I accept you and I love you. I can't believe you were scared to tell me that. And look, I got back the sonogram results and they look just like you. I can't wait to start a family with you.
Baby, you're my soulmate. I love you too.
Thanks for watching and follow for their puppies in 4 weeks.